Welcome back to the AI Locker Room. It is episode 10, folks. We have finally hit double digits. I'm Guy.
And I'm Ashley. 10 episodes in, Guy. And honestly, the speed at which this industry is moving is frightening. If you blinked last week, you missed a revolution.
You really did. We are seeing things in this last month of 2025 and heading into 2026 that we thought were 5 years away. We're talking about agentic AI. Artificial intelligence that doesn't just read data, but actually does the work for you.
Exactly. Today we are going to break down the massive business trends shaking up the Premier League and the NBA. Then we're going to talk about the voice of revenue and how your club can stop losing fans to silence.
But first, we have to shout out the partners who make the AI Locker Room possible. A massive thank you to our sponsor, Sport AI Consultants.
If you are a sports organisation tired of AI hype and looking for real AI results, Sport AI Consultants is the engine you need. They are powering the next generation of fan engagement. We'll talk more about the specific tech they're rolling out later, but for now, thank you, Sport AI Consultants, for keeping the lights on here in the locker room.
Episode 10. The future of sports technology just got turned upside down. Artificial intelligence is now making 5,000 personalised phone calls simultaneously using the voice of your favourite athlete. But that's just the beginning of how AI is revolutionizing the entire sports industry.
You know what's fascinating about that development? It's completely transforming how teams connect with their fans.
Let me share something incredible that just happened. Pixelo secured $35 million in funding to democratize sports broadcasting. They're bringing professional level coverage to everyone from youth leagues to semi-pro teams using AI-powered cameras.
So how exactly does that technology work?
Well, imagine compressing an entire TV production truck into a microchip. The AI automatically tracks the ball, follows player movements, and handles all camera angles without any human intervention. It's like having an invisible camera crew that never misses a shot.
The business implications must be significant for smaller organisations.
Oh, they're huge. Local clubs can now offer professional broadcasts to parents and scouts, creating entirely new revenue streams. But here's what's even more mind-blowing. The Yes Network partnership with Cam.ai is using AI dubbing to translate commentary in real time.
That sounds like it could really change international sports broadcasting.
Well, picture this. A Yankees fan in Tokyo hears the original announcer's excitement perfectly translated into Japanese, maintaining all the energy and emotion. It's completely transforming how global fans experience the game.
Speaking of transformations, I've been following how Premier League clubs are adapting to these changes.
Right, and Liverpool is leading the charge by investing heavily in AI specialists for 2025. You know why? Because the data shows that generic content just doesn't work anymore. If a fan loves goalkeepers, sending them striker highlights is like speaking the wrong language.
That brings up an interesting challenge I've noticed. Many clubs have tons of data but aren't using it effectively.
Exactly, they're sitting on gold mines of information from Salesforce, HubSpot, and Ticketmaster. But they're still stuck sending mass emails that go straight to spam. It's like having a Ferrari and using it to deliver newspapers.
Well, that's where conversational AI comes in, isn't it?
You better believe it. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine an AI system that can simultaneously engage with thousands of fans. But here's the kicker. It uses voice cloning to sound like their favorite player or club legend. And get this, it can actually handle complex conversations, understand context, and solve problems in real time.
The efficiency gains must be remarkable for sales teams.
So remarkable that it's completely changing how teams operate. Instead of burning out sales staff on routine calls, they can focus on high-value interactions while the AI handles everything else. And here's something wild. The system learns from every single interaction, building a massive database of fan preferences and behaviors.
You know, I'm curious about how fans are responding to these AI interactions.
That's the most surprising part. Satisfaction rates are actually higher with AI interactions in many cases. The system provides immediate, helpful responses 24/7, and most fans don't even realize they're talking to an AI until they're told.
Looking ahead, what developments do you see coming?
Well, we're about to see AI systems that can detect emotional states from voice patterns and adjust their communication style accordingly. They'll switch languages seamlessly, understand cultural nuances, and even predict fan behavior patterns before they emerge.
That level of sophistication could really transform the entire sports industry.
And here's what's really exciting. We're seeing the emergence of agentic AI that doesn't just communicate, but takes action. These systems can process payments, modify subscription plans, and coordinate with other systems to solve complex problems.
So, what does this mean for smaller sports organisations?
It's like giving them a technological equalizer. These solutions are becoming more accessible and affordable, which means even local clubs can provide professional level fan experiences. The playing field is literally being leveled through technology.
Thanks for breaking down these fascinating developments in sports technology.
And remember, everyone, we're just scratching the surface here. The convergence of AI, data analytics, and fan engagement is creating a new playbook for sports business. Keep watching this space. The next game changing innovation might be closer than you think. All right, that wraps up episode 10. We've covered the democratization of cameras, the rise of AI dubbing, and why your next sales call should probably be made by an AI agent.
It's a brave new world, folks. Don't get left on the bench. Check out www.sporticonsultants.com. See what they can do for your engagement metrics.
We will be back next week with a deep dive into wearable tech and if it's finally ready for the mainstream. Until then, keep your head in the game.
And keep your data working. See ya.